Okay, hi everybody. So we're going to still be solving systems using substitution, but today we may have some special cases. So notice already the top one's set equal to y. So I'm going to take that, right, plug it in for y. So what do I get? Negative 2x equals negative 2x plus 4. I'm going to move this x over so I get nothing on this side, so I don't get nothing on this side. But notice what's going to happen, right? These are also going to cancel out, and I'm going to get 0 equals 4. So this is nothing new. You should be able to look at this statement and tell me, is it true or false? Right? So does 0 equal 4? No. So it's a false statement. Therefore, there is no solution. And I want you to think about, if we were to graph both of these lines, what would it look like? One would look like that. And then one would look like that, right? So again, remember they have the same slope, but we're solving these using substitution. So if you solve using substitution and you get a false statement, right, what that means is there's no solution, which means if I graph them, they're going to be parallel. And no solution really means that there is no x or y, right, ordered pair, that will ever make both of these a true statement. All right, let's try example 2. Oh, again, look at how nice. Y is already set equal to something, so I'm going to take it and substitute it in for that y. All right, so I'm going to take this, plug it in for here, and let's see what happens. So x minus 4 plus 4 equals x. I'm going to combine like terms before I move on. Negative 4 plus 4 actually cancels out. So what are we left with? Does x equal x? Yeah, that's a true statement. Now let's say you subtracted x first. What you're going to wind up with is 0 equals 0 if you did get the x on one side. But again, does 0 equal 0? Yeah, it's true. If you put this equation into y equals mx plus b form, you'll actually notice it's going to be the same line, right? So remember when we graph them and it's the same line on top of one another, it intersects infinitely many times. It's not all real numbers. It's going to be infinitely many solutions. So for today, if you get, if you cancel out your variable, don't freak out. It's going to happen. It's not often, but it will happen. So if it's false, no solution. And if what you're left off with is true, that both sides are equal, depending on what you get, x equals x, 0 equals 0, 2 equals 2, just remember it's infinitely many solutions, because a solution is an ordered pair. There's just infinitely many ordered pairs. All right, so glue this in. Go back to the daily agenda on Canvas to see what your classwork/homework is. And please be good.